Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. Excuse me because it's a bit a hard time to speak since I have a cold. So we're gonna have to deal with it. Winter just started. So whiskey as usual. As you can see on my nose, he just left this mark with his little teeth, sharp teeth. So anyway guys, we're gonna do something special today. We're gonna do, well, something special. We're gonna go back to basic. We're gonna use only acrylic with a little bit of water in it. So I think it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be a flip cup. It's been a long time since we did it. So we're gonna use only three color, basically blue, and we see what happens. So let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. So guys, I think we just proved the fact that you don't have to go overboard with all kind of products. I think the result, well, I have a cold, so excuse me, but it's hard. I think it's more of a flu. Anyway guys, I think the result is nice. And like I said, once again, we just proved that you don't have to go overboard with some kind of products. You can do something very, very nice with just water. And in fact, this time we did use water, but just a little bit. So our acrylic was a little bit more thick. And I think it did a very nice finish. So anyway, guys, I hope you're going to agree. And like always, I hope you're going to try it because there's no way it can be easier than what we just did. The only thing is to work with some colors. You can do all kind of colors. You can even do a flip cup and then do a fluid pouring like we do often, and I think it's also a nice way to go about it. So guys, I hope you're gonna come back, and like always, don't forget to come and join us on Instagram as well as on Facebook. And like always, please guys, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.